watching. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and we're going to put this new cart together. This is a collapsible cart. This is a MacWagon. And we picked it up just this last weekend for soccer basically. We got a bunch of chairs and everything. We got to haul across fields. Figured it'd be nice to throw everything in this and haul it across just once so I don't have to make a couple trips. It's got a drink holder and some other things we're going to look at. Price on this as of the spring, late spring 2018 is about $60. And that's particularly at a big box store, Sam's Club. You might do a little better elsewhere, but $60 is not a bad price for a collapsible wagon. Kind of cracks me up. They show soccer right here. But another use that might not be so common is you can carry stuff to your mega yacht. Right here, this little mega yacht. So for those of you that own mega yachts that shop at Sam's Club, there you go. All right, let's open this thing up. So I apologize for the echo. We're obviously doing this in our garage. Kids are home and they're being loud inside. There we go. I thought it would stand up, but hey, that's really flat. It's much flatter than I thought it would be. Weight-wise, well, you know, it probably weighs about 20, 25 pounds. I'll actually put it on a scale later on and we'll put the weight right down here at the bottom of the screen for you. Neat thing I noticed is it's got a carrying handle, and one person should be able to carry it with one hand. Not incredibly light, but not terribly heavy either. So it probably has Velcro straps on the bottom. Actually, they're buckles, plastic buckles. Pinch buckles in the front. So pinch that, and this slip cover probably comes off. Okay, this just lifts up, and I'm going to see how intuitive this is. I've not read the directions yet, and because I'm like most people out there, like you guys, looks like the handle holds it together. So we'll undo the Velcro that holds the handles together, and voila. Push that down. Wow. Can't get much more straightforward and intuitive than that. The handle looks like clasps right there with a little pincher plastic piece, and it extends here with sort of a airport luggage type extender or tripod type extender. And there you go. Front wheels swivel. Back wheels do not. Fairly big wheels. I'll measure them. They look like they're rubberized. Hard plastic and a softer plastic with a good grip, but they're not rubber. Good action on a cement floor. I'm pretty impressed. Now we'll throw in all our soccer gear. It's going to be like 4 chairs, parasols, all the stuff we need to survive out in a grassy field for 3 or 4 hours every Saturday. But it's pretty cool. I like this. You know, we're not going to use it to carry supplies to our mega yacht, but we are going to use it every Saturday to drag gear across a field. And I think that the fact that it folds up will make it a lot easier too. I'm going to try to fold it up. So I will collapse the handle, secure it in place, and I pull up in the middle, okay, again, and we'll slide these closed. Very nice. And I can put them in the car right now like that, or I can, that's too cool. Or I can put the cover back on. One thing I forgot to show you, I just realized, is this tray in the back. There you go. Like a cell phone holder, a couple drink holders, even has a notch for handled drinks. I would lock these. Yeah, it locks on the side so it doesn't collapse on you. But we can actually park this between the chairs and have a little table. So there you go. $60, spring 2018. This is the MacWagon, collapsible wagon. Thanks for watching.